Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets. In this video we want to share with you some ideas on how to manage your trades and taking exits on the trades. There are many ways that it can be done. Some will give you more pips than others, but what we have here is on a day chart. This is a trade that I'm reconstructing from one of our students that actually took this trade. He saw the day set up, had a good momentum change, and so he entered right in this area, and then he went to the 1 hour and saw that it was about ready, and so he entered right here on the 1 hour. He managed this trade on the 1 hour, and right at this point right here is where he exited the trade. Now that was a decent trade. Looks like it's about 79-80 pip range, that trade. Now what if he had managed that, and since he had a lot of profit, he had moved to a 4-hour time frame. Now you notice it went sideways for a long time, so as far as I'm concerned, that was a great exit signal. Just another concept, another way of looking at it is, if you'd moved to a larger time frame, he exited right here. The larger time frame, or the 4-hour, did not give him any exit signals until clear down here. So right in this area is where he would have been seeing signals to enter had he started managing on a 4-hour. So that gave him an additional roughly 100 pips more. So from about 80 pips to 180 pips just on the way you manage it. Now not all trades go that way, but once you're several hours into a trade, in this case he's about 14 hours into this trade. So that's long enough into it that you can start doing some management decisions. And he managed it based on his time frame, his schedule. That was good for him. But just the concept is, had he had the time to look at it differently, he could have taken out a few more pips. Hope this was a help to you in seeing that you can use different exit strategies to exit a trade. Generally speaking, the time frame you enter on is the one you ought to manage it on until it goes far enough in your direction. At that point you may want to consider exiting the trade on a different time frame, usually a higher time frame, rather than going to a smaller time frame. Smaller time frames will take you out more quickly.